Hey guys, what's up? My name's Vincent. I'm a local filmmaker down here in Port Elizabeth, South Africa. I'm here today to show you a little bit about what I do. I'm here to give a little bit of advice to those guys who are just starting out, want to talk about equipment, want to talk about tutorials, and we'll take it from there. Hey guys, what's up? I'm here to talk to you quickly about the Osee T5 4K monitor. It's a 1080p display that receives 4K input. Great little package, great price. It's quite light. I would suggest it for probably travel users, guys are going to be out on the road quite often. It's not the sturdiest build in the world. It is a plastic casing, but still feels good in hand. Nice little form factor. It feels very similar in terms of size to your bigger smartphones nowadays. It's got quite a nice little navigation tool here, which is their red joystick. It has auto flip options. It takes NPF style and LPE6 batteries in the back, so you've got a dual option in the back here. If you clip it out, you'll see you've got your LPE6 option on that side and your NPF on this side. Overall, I've tested the monitor. It's got 400 nits. Brightness, it does reasonably well outdoors. It's quite nice and easy to skip between different profiles that you've set up in terms of your focus and exposure tools. Personally, I'm a big fan of false color for exposure, and then it does have its own peaking tools as well, which is great for those guys who don't have those in camera. It's got a whole bunch of preloaded LUTs on here so that you can just use those depending on the camera that you're using, so it's ready to roll. Power input is with a micro USB cable. They're pretty readily available. You can just hook that direct to AC or maybe even stick in a power bank. Personally, I opt for the NPF batteries because I just have a stack of those because I have them for my lights and everything else. It's got two mounting points with that 1/4 inch, and because it's got that auto rotate function, that's all you really need, because once you mount it onto the L bracket that it comes with or onto a magic arm, it's pretty flexible in terms of where you put it and how you use it. The headphone jack for monitoring audio, which I think is a huge benefit in terms of the price point on this thing, because it gives that flexibility to the guys who don't have cameras with headphone output, or which you'll find with a lot of the entry-level Canon DSLR cameras. They don't have headphone monitoring. So on the side you've got HDMI in and then battery output, so you can actually power your camera through this monitor as well, which is awesome. Great little option, especially if you're running with the NPF 970 batteries in the back. It should give you a decent lifespan out of those batteries running both your camera and your monitor, and that way you only have to remember to charge and carry one kind of battery. So definitely a bonus. Personally, I find that this one is a great little unit. There are a lot of competitors out there with the full HD monitor with 4K input along the small HD focus line. This is a great one for the price point. My next step from here would not be to purchase something similar in terms of monitor. I think from here, your next step would be stepping into the realm of recorders, where you'd be looking at the Atmos Ninja V or the Inferno if you want to step up the size to a 7-inch. Otherwise, the Osee T5 monitor is a great little unit, so definitely check it out. In terms of accessories, the monitor does come with all 3 HDMI cables. It's got a HDMI Type A, mini HDMI and micro HDMI, so it's ready to go for just about any camera. And then it comes with a L bracket, a solid aluminium build, as well as a sun hood, which I find attaches quite strangely, but it does the job. So yeah, everything that comes in the box basically sets it up ready to go with any camera. Thanks for watching, thanks for the support, I really appreciate it. If you do enjoy my videos, please remember to hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and please, the bell icon, get notifications when I'm going to release my next video. Cheers, I'll catch you soon.